Everyone, Chris here. I got a nice box in the mail today, about 20 minutes ago, from my friend Dave at VanagonLife. I wanted these for quite a while now, so I figured I'd do a video on unboxing and then installation. So I've got my handy box cutter. Don't try this at home, kids. I'm a trained professional. See what we got here. Oh, Dave, look at you. There's the man right there. Descend sticker. West Coast VanagonLife. Another Descend. Water Truck Life. And that's pretty cool. Hot Wheels car. Thanks, Dave. That's awesome, man. Not sure if this is just special to me or if you get one of these when you order from him, but I'd encourage you to give it an order and try it out. So what we got is vacuum sealed here. Where's my blade again? What I'm basically going to do is replace these rear vents in the back with one of these guys. So actually it's the correct side I picked up. No, it's the opposite side, but you get the idea. And what this is a mount right here. That will be this mount for a CB antenna that I've got here. So that's pretty cool. So that's one thing, and that's a solar connector with the pigtails, nice and thick wires. And then this last piece of it, doesn't get to that, you fooled me. Cut mesh piece that will fit behind here like so. Keeps bugs out and stuff. Probably better than the original, you think? But I'm psyched to install these, so how about we head out to the garage and give it a shot. So through the magic of video editing, I am suddenly in the garage next to my van. It's a 1985 Wolfsburg Edition Weekender Westie. So it does not have the kitchen, but it's got a full-size, well, nearly a full-size bed and a pop-top. I wanted a full camper when I first started looking. This van found me, and I am so glad that I got this one. I absolutely love it. Anyway, back to the topic at hand. This is the stock vents. I already took the screws out. It just kind of pops out. There's these two little male ends that slide in up on the top here. And then there's two screws that go here. In a previous video, I already shown that I replaced these and these with products that I made. They're made out of squishy TPU 3D printed parts. So when you screw the screw in, it really holds tight, so it won't come loose. But anyhow, on the back of this guy, there is a bar. It looks like this. It looks like this screws into that, and then the two holes here will screw into the mount. So let me go and do that. All right, all the mounting screws are a 6mm hex, and this is a two-piece. One side's going to go on the back, and it's going to sandwich in the middle and tighten those two fasteners down. It's a robust setup, which is probably what you want with the CB antenna sticking up. And I'm kind of curious to see if that CV antenna is going to fit through my garage door without getting whacked every time. So this should be a fun experiment. These are just easy to remove. You just kind of stick your finger behind and wiggle it out, and they pop right out. And I'm not going to bore you with mounting these up, but I'll give you a picture in a second. Okay, here I've got it firmly bolted in. Like I said, 6 millimeters, tighten it down. I was very cognizant when I was doing this to hold this bolt in so I didn't drop it down there. I've got a magnetic tool to pick them up, but I don't want to do that. Okay, I got it installed. One thing to note when you're installing this is to that backing bar that I talked about, put that in loosely and then slide the main part on and make sure that the holes line up. I kept on having an issue where this hole wouldn't line up, and it finally dawned on me that I just didn't have the bar correctly oriented up and down. So once you do that, orient the bar, tighten those fasteners down really tight, and slide this in, and then these line right up, and you just screw it on. It's pretty solid. It's a solid piece of kit right there. Let me grab the antenna. Let's see what this is gonna be like. Now, of course, I didn't wire it up yet. I just want to see how it's gonna look, and it looks like it's going to hit. Yeah, it's gonna hit when I go in and out of the garage, I believe, because my sunroof, or the pop-up skylight, just barely makes it into my garage. So I will have to take this off every time, but that's okay. I still like the way it looks. Thank you, Dave and VanagonLife, for providing another cool product for our vehicles. I am going to wire in the solar as well, because I think that's a great idea. I can just plug it in there. I've got a portable panel as well as a 100 watt that's up on top of the luggage rack. So anyhow, I hope that you are doing van projects, because you should be. Anybody attending Synchrofest this coming week, I will be there, and I hope to see you. I'll be the guy with the beard walking around with a beer. Anyhow, take care, everyone, and fight the power.